Welcome to 5792 Dunbar Circle in Milton, Florida. This home is located in the Glen, which is just inside the Moores community. As you can see, we have wonderful oak trees here that line this entire street. Just a really well-maintained neighborhood. This neighborhood also offers a community pool, a community gym, hiking trails, a playground, and stocked fish ponds as well. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with an open floor plan and vaulted ceilings, giving for a nice spacious feel. So coming into the foyer here, we have the main living area. The owners have just laid all new wood look tile throughout the main living area of this home. So that is brand new, just gorgeous. They did a wonderful job. Again, we have a nice spacious open floor plan in here. We have a refrigerator with an ice and water dispenser, an electric cooktop, dishwasher, and garbage disposal as well. So we have plenty of countertop space in here. As you can see, we have a nice size island, perfect for a nice breakfast bar that flows nicely over here into the main dining area. I will take you back out and give you a preview of the wonderful views in the backyard in just 1 second here. So nice open floor plan, very spacious. We do have a very nice sized pantry as well. And just off the kitchen here, we have the laundry and the garage entrance. 2-car garage here. We also have a convenient workbench that's built in as well. In the laundry, we have some shelving up top for some additional storage space on both sides here. So just off the kitchen, I'm sorry, we have the master suite with French doors going into. Ceiling fan in the master. Nice spacious master here too. Really good size master bathroom. We have a water closet in here, a double vanity, a shower tub combo with some updated light fixtures, water closet for privacy, and just a really wonderful, nice walk-in closet here. So much room. And it comes around and goes all the way back here. So plenty of room in this walk-in closet for all of your storage needs. The 2 additional bedrooms and bathroom are located on the front side of the house here. Coming into the front side here, we do have ceiling fans in every bedroom here. A few other things about this house. There are gutters. The outside AC unit is just 4 years old, and the water heater in this home is brand new. And in between here, we have the second bath. Updated vanity and lighting in here, as well as a new toilet, new flooring, and a shower tub combo in here. And into the 3rd bedroom. So these 2 bedrooms share the second bath there in the middle. And my favorite part, out into the backyard here. So we have a covered patio out here with tiled flooring. And a wonderful grapevine here. This one took 3 years to produce grapes. It got a little weathered in the storm here that we had, but it should come back no problem. So you have edible grapes right outside your back door and a stocked fishing pond for fishing. I believe there are 22 ducks that are resident to this lake here. So nice open spacious feel in the back, beautiful lake views. Just gorgeous out here, nice and peaceful. If you like wide open spaces, this is perfect for that. Just gorgeous. So let us know if you have anybody interested that would like to see it, or you'd like to set up a private showing. Again, this is 5792 Dunbar Circle in Milton, Florida.